Hello friends, today we will discuss question number 3, that is insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. We know that how to write the Indian system of numeration. The Indian system is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. What is the rule for putting commas in Indian system of numeration? The rule is after 3 digit, that is ones, 10, 100, you have to put 1 comma here, right? After that 2,000, 10,000, you have to put another comma. After that you have to put lakh, 10 lakh, after 2 digit you have to put another comma. This is the general rule to put comma in Indian system of numeration, right? Now we'll put the commas like this. After 3 digits we will put 1 comma, after that 2 digit, after that 2 digit, right? Now question number A, you see here, A is ones, 10, 100, the comma will be here, that is in 7, right? After that 9, 5, after that 2 digit, here there will be comma, and after that 5, 7, you have to put another comma here, right? This is the rule. Now question number B. First, after 3 digit, that is 3, 8, 2, you have to put here 1 comma. After that 4, 6, after 2 digit, another comma, right? Now question number C is after 3 digits you put 1 comma. After 2 digits put another comma, and after 2 digits put another comma, right? This is the way you have to put the commas in Indian system of numeration. Now question number D. Question number D is after 3 digits you put 1 comma, after 2 digits you put another comma, after 2 digits you put another comma. This is the system to put commas in Indian system of numeration. That means you have to put comma here, that is ones, 10, 100, 1 comma. After that, after 2 digit you put another comma, after 2 digit you put another comma, right? This is the solution of question number 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.